this is the Umidigi A11 tab, which I believe is Umidigi's first ever tablet. So we get 4 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage, 8,000 mAh battery, 10.4 inch 2K display, but I don't know, is this resolution 2K? I thought it was more than that, I don't know. Android 11, MediaTek 8768, not really familiar with that one, but it sounds advanced. Yeah, those are pretty much our main specs. Let's open this up. Huh, this comes out very easily. But yeah, in the box, okay, nice cover case. Comes with a lot of these Chinese tablets. Oh, there's one on the back as well. So the back is plastic, but it doesn't feel like a cheap plastic. This feels pretty okay. I even have the smart connector for the keyboards, I guess, and other accessories. USB Type-C cable, charging brick. That's all we get pretty much. Okay, first impressions, the bezels look pretty decent actually. Okay, first impressions, the display is not really, like, it fades from the side and stuff, but yeah, I'm gonna set this up and get back to you. So to my surprise, there is a fingerprint sensor, and it is over, oh, it's this, all right. Also, it's worth mentioning the vibration motor feels and sounds very cheap, but it's not necessarily Umidigi's fault. It's just that with tablets, vibration motors they're kind of tricky because their surface area it's way bigger than like a phone, so it's like harder to make a proper vibration motor. That's why Apple's iPads don't have vibration motors, just so it wouldn't feel cheap, you know. But Umidigi and Samsung and other companies, they just don't care about that stuff. And there we go. All right, so let's jump into the settings real quick. You know what? It seems to work pretty well, like no lag or stutter. So we know this has a fingerprint sensor, but let's see it face unlock as well. Oh, that was touching the camera. All right, so let's set the face unlock. Oh, okay, now we're like this, okay. Oh, because of course the front camera's right here. Yes, I know how to set up, all right. All right, it seemed to work. So first off, let's test the fingerprint unlock. Oh, no, didn't work before. Try again. Oh, because I set my fingerprint. Yeah, okay, that time it lagged. It's because I set my fingerprint like this and it was doing this. So yeah, that's why. It's like really flush with the body, so it's like hard to identify at first, but I mean, it works, right? So fingerprint sensor seems to work all right. Let's try face unlock now. What if I do close up? Okay, that time it worked. Let's try again. Let's try and get on camera this time. Huh. Nothing. I have to hold it like a specific way in order for it to unlock using my face. So yeah, face unlock, it's not really that good, but the fingerprint unlock, it's pretty decent, I guess. Knife it loads right away, nice. All right, that wasn't bad. Let's see how it's now without ads. Zero lag, zero stutter with knife fit. Wow, what Wind Rider? What? Okay, I expected the Wind Rider to run better than this. What is? Wait, maybe it just needs to adjust itself. Hold on. Oh, it's because it's trying to load ads right now, and I mean, I guess this is playable, but the ads are kind of ruining it right now, not gonna lie. Yeah, see, we're gonna use airplane mode, maybe that way we won't get ads. Alright, doesn't look like we have ads, but the frame rate still looks a bit jumpy. But it works better now. Okay, yeah, see, this is playable. Alright, so I downloaded the high graphics pack, and so far it seems to be working fine. Okay, it's stuttering because it just loaded. Just give it a second. Alright, so overall, it's not the highest frame rate or the best graphics, but it works. And it's not lagging, it's, you know. So gaming on this phone, it's overall works fine. No, this is the correct way. So we have 4 speakers on this device. We have 2 here, 1, 2, and another 2 right here. So a quad speaker setup, which is really impressive because usually with these cheap tablets, they'll just either put 1 here or 2, and that's it. They're not the perfect speakers. Like, I heard a bit of distortion, but the quality is overall pretty nice, and they do get pretty loud. So given the price of this tablet, I think the speakers are a huge win. Alright, for those of you who actually use a camera regularly on a tablet, this is for you. Alright, so the rear camera is 60 megapixels, front camera is 8 megapixels. Rear video is full HD, but 1800 by 1080. Never heard of that resolution before. Front video is also full HD, but 1800. I think they mean 1920 by 1080. I don't know. It's weird. Anyway, let's take our first selfie. Let's go outside. Rear facing video. It just won't focus close up, won't it? Okay. Is it? I think it's doing it now, but it's like really bad. I don't know. Front facing video. Visibility outdoors, not that great. But not the worst I've seen either. So yeah, that is pretty much it. So should you buy this tablet? I think for 170 bucks, this is a pretty great deal because they're getting a lot for your money. You know, not even 200 bucks. Already a 2K display, good performance, decent cameras, good speakers, good display, you know, pretty much ticks all of the boxes you'd expect for such a low price range. And maybe even exceed your expectations. By the way, there's no headphone jack. But if you're looking for a budget tablet, I think this is a good place to start. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.